In a quiet meadow, a small tree stands alone, reaching for the sky. The sun shines warmly, and a gentle breeze rustles its leaves. All is calm. All is peaceful. But peace never lasts forever. Dark clouds gather in the distance, and the wind begins to whisper a warning. The small tree sways as the first drops of rain touch its leaves. The winds grow stronger, scattering leaves across the meadow. Birds take flight, fleeing the approaching storm as the skies darken. The storm unleashes its fury. Winds roar, rain pours, and the small tree bends under the relentless force. Thunder shakes the earth, and the sky burns with flashes of lightning. Rain turns the earth to mud, and the tree's roots hold firm against the onslaught. A flash of lightning reveals its silhouette, fragile yet unbroken. At last, the storm begins to fade. The winds calm, the rain slows, and sunlight breaks through the clouds. Under the golden glow of the setting sun, the small tree stands tall. New leaves have grown, vibrant and full of life. It is stronger now, having endured the storm. The meadow glows with warm light,